Join our exclusive workshop NMR Interpretation for Pharma Professionals from Spectra to Solutions. Are you ready to master H&C and NMR spectroscopy for pharmaceutical applications? This workshop is designed to enhance your expertise in chemical structure analysis, functional group identification, and pharmaceutical quality control through real-world case studies and hands-on learning. Why attend? Fundamental understanding: build a strong foundation in NMR principles and their role in chemical analysis. Interpretation skills: learn to accurately interpret H&C and NMR spectra to identify molecular frameworks. Pharmaceutical applications: explore how an MR is crucial in drug development, structural elucidation, and quality control. Hands-on experience: apply your knowledge to real pharmaceutical spectra and sharpen your analytical skills. This is a must-attend event for pharma professionals, researchers, and students eager to advance their NMR expertise and make a difference in the industry. Don't miss this opportunity to transform your understanding of NMR spectroscopy.